Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial on Mastering Tableau 2018.1. My name is Siddharth Pawar. I will be your instructor for this course. I have been working with the Tableau desktop and Tableau server for almost 4 years. With Tableau, I have been working with SQL Server, Big Data and Tableau Server optimization part. I am Tableau 10 desktop qualified and I have been a data visualization consultant with core in an area where I only concern on the next generation visualization that we can deploy and develop inside organization. In this course, we will see different modules on which we have in-depth explanation over here. So we will start with getting started with Tableau 2018.1. We will see how we can connect to single data source and how we can create viz over those single data source. Once we have understanding over how we can connect to single data source, we will see before jumping into the visualization what are the cleaning and preparing steps that we need to follow in the section 3. In the section 4, we will see if we have multiple data sources and if you want to take the insights out of those data sources, we can do that with the help of blending and cross database join that we will cover in the section 4. In the section 5, we will see the advanced filtering option that we have with the Tableau desktop and how sorting is important with respect to end user that we'll see in the section 5. In the section 6, we will see groups concept which will help user in merging different dimension element together so that we have a single value, and applying that condition on top of groups is possible with the help of sets. And in the later part of this section, we will see hierarchies. If you want to create those drill down inside the data, how we can create those drill down and how we can show that next level of hierarchy inside data, we will see those in this section. In the next section, we will see the basic custom calculations and calculated field functions. Those are very important to understand as a Tableau developer because this is the section which will add more insight and meaning to your visualization whenever you want to create advanced level of calculations, and calculated field functions and features are very important. In the next section, reference lines, parameters and analysis. In this section, we will see how reference lines and parameters are very important with respect to the development, and whenever we want to pass a next level of user control to the user, how this reference lines and parameters adds more value to your dashboard. In the next section, we will see the complex queries and level of detail expressions. So level of detail expressions are next level of calculations inside Tableau. With the help of level of detail expression, we can add more insight inside data, more insight into your dashboard. With the help of level of detail expression, it's very easy to calculate those complex calculations which are not directly possible with calculated field. But with the help of level of detail calculation, we will see how we can capture that next level of detail or upper level of detail with the help of calculation. So those complex calculation we'll see in this section. In the spatial analysis and mapping and geographical data, in this section we will see how we can use that advanced feature and functionality that we have with 2018.1. Those are mapping concepts. Those mapping concepts are very important to understand whenever you want to show the information in the map. To show that advanced feature inside maps, we need to have understanding over geocoding and geographical data. So we'll see those in this section. In the last section, we will see how we can merge the information that we have created, those small vizes that we have created, those charts we have created in the previous sections. We will merge those things together and we'll create a story and a dashboard out of that. And on top of that, we will apply some actions and which will actually add more value to the dashboard. User can directly interact with that specific dashboard and he can just play around with the filters that he is interested in. So with the help of actions, your dashboard will be more interactive. So who will be the target audience? The students who are no prior experience with data analytics and Tableau. They can directly start from the scratch because this course is built on top of the basics, and then we are going to move to the advanced concepts. So don't worry, we'll cover each and everything that is required for students and anybody who want to pursue their career in the data analytics and the data science. They can definitely start from this course. This course will be very important to understand Tableau and the data. So what you will need to start with this course? You need Tableau Desktop 2018.1 install on your system. So just search for Tableau Desktop 2018.1 on a browser and you will get the first link. Just download free trial, or you can just use your student identity card which will give you Tableau Desktop for 1 year free. So that is what is required for this course. And that's it for now. Let's get started with the actual syllabus in this next video.